Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are here for a little unboxing session. The first one on this channel with Prozis. I received this package today and inside there is a swimsuit. It's a gem. I must admit that I am very excited to try it. So let's quickly open this up to show you a little bit of everything that's inside. Let's go. First of all, for those who don't know me, hello. I'm Caro, I'm 35 years old, and you know me here for doing road trips and van life. You share travel content, discovering through different countries in Europe, and this channel evolves as you follow along, so if you have watched the other videos, great. If you haven't, I invite you to catch up, so to speak, to understand a little bit of what is happening around here. I admit that the sequence of the videos isn't very logical, but at some point you just have to dive in and there you go. It's better to take action than to do nothing at all. Movement brings about movement. So here I am, deciding to get moving with you. We will find different things, always a little bit of travel, etc. There will also be some more targeted content on fitness sports. You have certainly noticed it in my videos. And in our triple sport, it is something important, taking up more and more space. Here we go. In short, let's get started. We're going to open this package from my partner, Prozis, which is a Portuguese brand, and here we go. As you have noticed, having a large shelf like this in a camper van is not the most practical. We start here with one of our essentials, which is granola, with Xavier and me. Here it is, the chocolate hazelnut granola. It's just amazing. It's ultra crunchy. I've never eaten granola as crunchy as this. It's important to know that the special feature of this granola is that it is lower in sugar and has more protein. It is a granola that will be better for your health compared to the granola you can find in stores. I have been consuming it for a year now. You can go for it without worry, with your eyes closed. It has been tested, retested. You can go for it, it's a safe bet. Next. So here I have the bottom that goes with this. How pretty it is. Oh la la. With this little elastic here. We're going to be sexy in this. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Incredible transition. Amazing transition. Frame to see the whole outfit. Bra and shorts from Prozis. So here we have a pair of shorts that is ultra comfortable and made of cotton. What I love about these shorts is that they have a second skin effect, so they are just amazing. Well, I don't have the right underwear that is usually found with specific sports underwear, which are not visible in white, but rather in skin tone or pink. And what I love about these shorts with the elastic in the middle is that they shape your backside. They give you a nice little butt. My God. Here. Whoa. I didn't expect it to be such a huge jar. So, here it is. Well, listen. I have energy here. Ultra Recovery Professional Series. So basically, I got this for myself to recover after my workout sessions. Personally, I practice sports 2 to 3 times a week. I do body pump, I do circuit training. I also go for walks. And so this allows me to recover. It enables my muscles to recover after an intensive workout. You have the entire non-exhaustive list of the products in the composition. It is strawberry flavored. Can't wait to taste it. I will save the swimsuit for last. So these are the gifts. These are the chocolate bars that come as a bonus gift with the order. You should know that every time you place an order with Prozis, you accumulate points. And this allows you to exchange your points for products. So it can be clothing, it can be cereal bars, it can be peanut butter, or even a bit of small appliances for the home. Yes, because Prozis also makes home appliances. I exchanged mine for cereal bars. So here we are talking about these are the chocolate milk hazelnut nuts. Next, we have Mr. Michel Pâté. I took mackerel, pâté. It's quite common. I remember. It's Portuguese. And in Portugal, we eat a lot of fish. And when we talk about fish, we mean mackerel pâté, sardine pâté, etc. So I got that for Mr. Sav, who loves it. He eats that for breakfast with 2 eggs. A truly protein-rich breakfast, full of health, full of omega-3. Personally, I couldn't eat that for breakfast. Okay, but well, to each their own. I feel like telling you, Oh well, I told him, okay, fine. Well, 2 BCAAs, 0. So that's clearly for Mr. Zav. It is. So the BCAAs are for during the workout. It basically allows you to build your muscles. Here we have the apple BCAA. Then there's the stock because we are indulgent here. I picked up 4 small packets of cookies, so I know. No question for you. Do you know the BioKiz? So's EOS. We're talking about those little cookies that are to die for. Okay, yeah. Well, I found something even more indulgent. Sorry. And bigger. With these cookies, we are almost at an identical taste. Of course, it's not completely identical because everyone has their own recipe. We are using hazelnuts that come from Italy. It should be noted that Prozis is made in Europe. There are very few things that come from China, which is very far away. So here it is. I couldn't resist these little cookies that are just too good. So I took 4 packs, and there are 4 in each pack. It's the same here. I've been testing this for about a year now. So it's rich in protein and low in sugar. You can go for it without worry. Next here, this is one of my little essentials. Are you also looking for a moisturizing body cream lotion that doesn't feel like you're spreading water on your skin, but rather gives you the true sensation of hydrating your skin with a really good texture that doesn't stick and isn't unpleasant? Honestly, it's complicated. I find it difficult to find moisturizing creams that are of good quality and not very expensive these days. And I found this little rare gem at Prozis, which is the body lotion with argan oil. There is also the one with almond oil, which is great, and the coconut one if I'm not mistaken. So I tested argan oil, and almond cream. Well, both are amazing. This one was out of stock for a while, and I was a bit disappointed, so I reordered it, and I can't do without it anymore. I've clearly been using the body moisturizers from Prozis for a year now. It has a very pleasant texture in terms of value for money compared to what you can find commercially. You will save money with this one. And then I'll show you the last one. Attention, attention, these images. Do not show to your children if there are children watching. Sensitive images already. I'm going to open it. Go open the package. She says she does weight training and goes to the gym. She is not able to open a package with a swimsuit inside. Honestly, I swear. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my. How beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. This is going to be nice. This is going to be very nice. The color is incredible. In fact, it's a gradient of colors. Look. Very, very, very beautiful. The material is ultra pleasant. Here we go again. Okay. Yupupo. This is going to be sexy. It doesn't cover much, does it? I can't say, but let's move on. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Attention, attention. Even I, watch out. Oh la la. And here is the result. I suddenly feel observed. I'll let you rate this little swimsuit. I think it's the most beautiful swimsuit I've ever had in my life. So yes, it doesn't cover much, you know. But here it is. It is really great. Of course, you can also wear it the other way around. I did it like this. Like on the website, I took a size M. Don't go for a smaller size because, honestly, the bottom shouldn't be any less. So there you go. Well, I think we've covered everything on that. This is an unboxing of Prozis. So I will put the link to the site with my little promo code CARAFIT in the video description. And please feel free to let me know if you like this kind of unboxing video or not. It's all brand new. I confess that here it is, I told you I do. And then whatever will be, will be. And there you have it. So thank you for watching this video. Sending you kisses, and I'll see you in the next video. The Russian roulette. It could be about travel and unboxing or something else. I don't